Okay, so hey everyone, this side Krish come back with another new video. Now today in this video I am going to show you how we can install DSU ROM on your any Xiaomi device. If you want to install, then first of all unlock your bootloader, then root your phone, then after that you can easily install any DSU ROM on your any Xiaomi device here. First of all, you can notice here I have already rooted my device by the help of kernel issue root method. If you want to root your device by the help of another method like Magix or any other method, then also you can do these things. After that, you can notice here my device name is Xiaomi Pad 6 and it currently running on Hyper Operating System 3 and Android version is 15. So if you're having any device above Android 10, then you can easily install this type of things here. So first of all, you can notice here I have already downloaded this DSU file for my device here. You have to first find a DSU file for your device, then after that you can install here. So I have already downloaded. After that you can extract this DSU file. Then you have to connect your device with your mobile data or internet, I mean Wi-Fi. After that you have to open any browser and search here DSU GitHub or DSU application. Basically you have to download this DSU application in your device. After that you can install all these type of things. So if you want to download this application, then you can download from GitHub and also you can download from Android. If you visiting this channel first time, then like this video and subscribe this channel. I will always provide this type of content on this channel, so please like and subscribe this channel. And you have to download this application. I will also provide download link on my Telegram. You can easily download from there. After downloading, you have to install this application on your device here. Before you have to extract all these type of things on your phone here. So you can notice here I have already extracted DSU ROM file on my device here in separate folder. So you have to extract first. If you having a Xiaomi Pad 6, then I will provide a download link in description or Telegram. If you want to experience this type of things, then you also can do it. Okay. After that, install DSU side loader application on your Xiaomi device here. Then you have to tap on open. Then this type of permission appear here or this type of window appear here. So you have to close this window. First, if you have to allow super user permission. If you root with the help of Magix, then it will automatically ask. If you root by the help of this kernel issue, then you have to open this kernel issue application and after that tap on super user section and you have to allow this specific application here. So this type of problem appear here in your case. Then you have to tap on 3 dot here and tap on refresh. Then after that you have to search here DSU. Okay. You can manually search or also you can search by the help of search bar. After that allow super user permission. Then after that you have to clear all application from background. After that open DSU side loader, tap on setup and you have to select a separate folder. So I'm going to select this alarm folder here. After that you have to read all these type of things here. First unlock bootloader. After that you can notice here restore your data backup, like this type of all these things available here. So you have to read all these type of things. After that select your system.image file here or DSU file here. After that enable this toggle super user size here. So minimally you have to select here 10 GB here. After that you have to enable this image size and you have to image size minimally here 10 GB or 8 GB. It depend upon your storage size here. So minimally 10 GB or 8 GB is recommended here. So open calculator and if you want to 8 GB, then you have to multiply with 1024 with 8, and if you want to 10 GB, then you have to multiply with 1024 into 10. After that put this value. Then you have to tap on install. It will take around minimally 3 to 4 minutes. So you have to wait for complete this type of complete installation. So it will take some time here. So after that it will ask for a screen lock here. So confirm your screen lock or passcode here. Tap on confirm. Then after that it will creating super user partition. So wait for completing these type of things. Okay, after complete installation, this type of page text appear here or window appear here. Installation complete, check your notification. So simply open notification bar here and this type of notification appear here. In your case this restart and discard option appear here. So simply tap on restart. If not showing here, so simply hold this notification. After that restart or discard option appear here. Then simply you have to tap on restart. then it will take around 1 to 2 minutes for first booting here. So wait for booting your device here. So you can notice here it will show here Samsung Galaxy. It means our DSU is successfully booted on my Xiaomi device here. After that you can quick setup and enjoy your DSU ROM here. It basically made for experience purpose or testing purpose here. So if you want to experience, then you can experience here. It's not for daily driver or not for gaming here. It's only for experience all these type of features or all this type of animation or like this type of things. So if you want to like gaming or all this type of things, so it's not made for. So in this DSU side load, lots of bug and lots of glitch appear here. So if you face lots of glitch and bug, but if you want to experience, if you want to try any other system ROM in your device here, so you can definitely do this type of things. So you can notice your flashlight is working, but in brightness bar you can notice your automatic brightness increase or automatic decrease here, but animation is quite good here. Okay, you can notice here animation is quite good here, but RAM management is also I think good here, but brightness bar or all these type of things is not working on this ROM here. So you can if you want to experience, then you can do all these things here. So in lock screen customization I am going to test here. So you can notice here brightness is suddenly increased and brightness is suddenly decreased here. So I can't able to control all these type of things here. So if you want to experience, then you can do here. So that's all about today's video. If you want to go back in your main system, then how we can go here? So let's talk about it. So simply open notification center and you can notice here one option is restart or discard here. So you can notice here. So simply tap on restart. After that your device will automatically boot in your main system, and after that you can enjoy your main system. That's all about today's video. If you got this video helpful, then like this video and subscribe this channel. We will meet soon in another new video.